Good morning, everybody. Let's start our first lesson. Education provides a solid foundation. It is written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. First of all, let's see the introduction of the writer. Abul Pakir Jainullabbdin Abdul Kalam was born into a middle class family in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He had an unparalleled career as a defense scientist and was also the recipient of the highest civilian award of India, the Bharat Ratna. As chief of India's research and development program, Kalam demonstrated the potential for dynamism and innovation that exists in seemingly moribund research establishments. He was nominated as the 11th President of India in 2002 and was known as the People's President. Kalam passed away in 2015, engaged in doing what he loved most, delivering a lecture to young students. The following text is an excerpt from Wings of Fire, Dr. Kalam's autobiography, co-written with Arun Tiwari. It provides an insight into the formative influences behind India's missile man, his teachers, his friends, and his family. All of you know that APJ Abdul Kalam was the President of India. He was famous as the missile man. Lovingly, people call him as a missile man. He was the best and most famous defense scientist of India. He was also awarded with the Bharat Ratna Award. He has written his autobiography, Wings of Fire, and the present lesson is an extract from that Wings of Fire. Here he explained how a person's successful career depends on the influences of his teachers in the schools and colleges, of his friends, and on his parents also. Let's start. I took some time to settle down at Schwartz High School, but when I did, I was back to begin an enthusiastic 15-year-old student. He told that first, when he took admission in his high school, at that time it took some time to settle there, but very soon he started to be an enthusiastic, very positive 15 years old student. I also grew to realize that the desire to learn was very important. APJ says that though he took some time to settle in the high school, but he told us that a desire to take education, a desire to learn is really very important in person's life. One of my teachers there, Ayadurai Solomon, was an ideal guide. The writer got an ideal teacher there. His name was Ayadurai Solomon. He was warm and open-minded, and he made his students feel comfortable in the class. APJ told us that one of his teachers, Ayadurai Solomon, was really an ideal teacher, ideal guide. He was a very kind-hearted person. He was open-minded. He was very warm with his students, and he never became angry with his students. On the contrary, he used to solve all the problems of his students very lovingly, very warmly, and he made his students to feel comfortable in the class. During my stay at Ramananthapuram, he became my mentor. And while APJ was in high school, throughout all the high school years, Mr. Ayadurai Solomon teacher was his mentor. He made me realize, among other things, that one could exercise enormous influence over the events of one's own life. His teacher, Solomon teacher, taught him, made him realize that one can have the enormous, very great influence on the events of one's own life. Ayadurai Solomon taught me that in order to make anything happen, I must desire it intensely. He taught APJ that if he want any event to happen in his own life, if he want to achieve any goal in his life, then first of all he must desire it intensely. I must also be completely certain that it would happen. First thing, to desire the goal or desire the event intensely. Secondly, we must have a complete faith on that desire that it would happen. I have grown to realize that this kind of conviction is not only a strong motivating force, but it also does make things happen. And this conviction that my desire will come true, I can achieve, I will achieve, but I can achieve it, I will achieve this, all these things make the events happen in the life of a person. That conviction, that faith is really a very important and strong motivating force to make those things happen in one's life. APJ असं म्हणतात आहे की हायस्कूलमध्ये जेव्हा ते शिकत होते तर तेव्हा त्यांच्यावर इयादुराई सॉलोमन नावाचे त्यांचे जे टीचर होते यांचा अतिशय जास्त प्रभाव होता. इयादुराई सॉलोमन यांना आपण अगदी आयडियल गाईड असं म्हटलं तरी चालेल, आयडियल टीचर असं म्हटलं तरी चालेल. ते अतिशय प्रेमळ होते स्वभावाने. ते कधीच मुलांना, आपल्या स्टुडंट्सला कधीही ते रागवायचे नाही. त्यांचे प्रॉब्लेम्स ते सॉल्व करायचे. प्रेमळ होते, वॉर्म हार्टेड होते, म्हणजे अतिशय चांगल्या स्वभावाचे ते असे होते. ओपन माइंडेड होते ते. जोपर्यंत APJ आपल्या हायस्कूलमध्ये होते त्या हायस्कूलमध्ये तिथे ते 4-5 वर्ष APJ यांचे ते मेंटॉर म्हणून ते राहिले. आणि या सॉलोमन सरांनी लेखकाला असं शिकवलं होतं, ज्या अनेक गोष्टी त्यांनी शिकवल्या त्याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी एक गोष्ट अशी शिकवली की आपल्या जीवनामध्ये ज्या कोणत्या घटना घडत असतात या घटनांवर आपला स्वतःच्या विचारांचा अतिशय जास्त प्रभाव पडत असतो. आपण जर एखादं ठरवलं, एखादी गोष्ट आपल्या जीवनात व्हावी हे आपण जर ठरवलं तर ती गोष्ट आपण आपल्या जीवनात घडवून आणू शकतो. कशी? जर आपण एक ध्येय आपल्यासमोर ठेवलं की मला 75% मार्कांनी या वर्गामध्ये यावर्षी पास व्हायचंच आहे, हे ध्येय आपल्यासमोर ठेवलं, पहिल्यांदा आपल्या मनात इंटेन्स डिझायर पाहिजे की खूप जबरदस्त इच्छा की मी 75% मार्क मिळवूनच राहीन. दुसरं म्हणजे त्या इच्छेवर, त्या घटनेवर आपला विश्वास पाहिजे की मी मिळवू शकते. 75% मार्क मी अभ्यास जर केला तर मी मिळवू शकते, हा विश्वास. आणि ह्या दोन गोष्टी अतिशय मोटिवेटिंग फोर्स म्हणून काम करतात. आणि ह्या दोन गोष्टी, इंटेन्स डिझायर आणि त्या इच्छेवर असलेला आपला विश्वास, या दोन गोष्टींमुळे ती घटना घडून येते. आपोआप घडून येत नाही, तर अभ्यास करण्यासाठी किंवा त्या गोष्टीसाठी जे काम करणं आवश्यक असतं त्याच्यासाठी मोटिव्हेशन आपल्याला जबरदस्त मिळतं आणि त्यामुळे ती घटना, ते ध्येय आपण साध्य करू शकतो. ही गोष्ट इयादुराई सॉलोमन या सरांनी लेखकाला शिकवली होती. I can illustrate this with an example of my own life. I was always fascinated by the mysteries contained in the skies. Writer says that the teaching of Iyadurai Solomon sir can be proved from the example of writer's own life. APJ was always fascinated by the mysteries in the skies. Equally fascinating was the flight of birds. APJ was always fascinated by the flights of the birds. A simple boy from a remote part of country was convinced that one day I too would fly. Writer was always fascinated by the flights of the birds, and every time he saw a bird in the sky, at every time he convinced, a thought came into his mind that one day he too would fly in the sky. And in this way, that intense desire of flying in the sky, his faith on that desire became the strong motivating forces. And one day in later years, I became the first child from Rameshwaram to fly. And in this way, APJ became the first person from the Rameshwaram village टू फ्लाय इन द स्काय. अशा प्रकारे इयादुराई सॉलोमन यांनी जे लेखकाला शिकवलं होतं, तर लेखक म्हणतात की ती शिकवण त्यांच्या स्वतःच्या आयुष्याच्या उदाहरणावरून लक्षात येते की नेहमी लेखकाला आकाशाचं अट्रॅक्शन होतं, आकाश खगोलशास्त्राचं अट्रॅक्शन होतं, आकाश भौतिकीचं त्यांना अट्रॅक्शन होतं. फ्लाईट्स, विमानं पाहिले की त्यांना आकाशात उडावं वाटायचं, आकाशात उडणारे पक्षी पाहिले की त्यांना आकाशामध्ये उडावं वाटायचं. आणि प्रत्येक वेळेला आकाशातला पक्षी पाहून त्यांच्या मनात हा विचार यायचा की मलाही एक दिवस असंच आकाशात उडायचं आहे. आणि त्यांनी हे करिअर कशामध्ये केलं? मग त्यांचं करिअर हे आकाशाशी संबंधित असलेल्या क्षेत्रामध्येच झालं. त्यांनी रॉकेट्स बनवले, त्यांनी लॉन्चर्स बनवले आणि ते आकाशातून उडणारे या रामेश्वरम खेड्यातले पहिले व्यक्ती बनले, डिफेन्स रॉकेट सायंटिस्ट ते बनले. अशा प्रकारे एवढ्या मोठ्या पोस्टवर ते गेले, एवढं मोठं सक्सेसफुल करिअर ते केवळ सॉलोमन सरांच्या शिकवणुकीमुळे त्यांनी अचीव करू शकले, हे लेखक आपल्याला इथे सांगत आहे.